So I would actually say some hidden gems in the product. Okay, probably a GenAI capability is a hidden gem in the product because it helps in improving the productivity of an IT guys. Okay, so it helps in say summarizing some reports and getting some insightful informations for them, or it actually helps in creating some automation scripts automatically. So with a NLP kind of chats, and it can also actually help in generating some monitoring scripts. So it has a lot of potential, and futuristically also it is going to evolve more. So that's something I want every customers to adopt and use. So GenAI is actually one improvement I would say, because that makes it more easier for them to actually learn, and without even learning, it's a natural language processing. So that is the actual feature I would. Absolutely. So one of the biggest enterprise customer in India, so they replaced 12 different tools with Site24x7 platform. So this means so they are able to consolidate and use one platform for more of their requirements. That is actually a major win for us, basically. That made me proud. Oh, okay, so our platform is able to actually solve different problems for the customers. No, I would actually say recently, okay, so not recently, in last couple of years, we are seeing more enterprise opportunities and enterprise deals knocking our door. So tirelessly, our teams are actually working to satisfy the requirements. That actually is an important characteristics my team actually possess now. Okay, so that is actually what takes you to the next level. So that is one thing actually that I'm proud of, and I'm actually happy my team is able to catch. So one thing is how your environments are getting modernized. Okay, this is a continuous evolution that is happening in IT. So from the times of 2000, I see virtualization is the topic. Then cloud is a topic. Then you have mobile wave. You had AI wave, which is actually now going through the industry. Okay, so there are a lot of such evolutions in IT happens, and only thing that customers expect is the tool they use also should evolve into meeting the requirements with the modern technological challenges. Okay, that is something Site24x7 is also evolving along with. So we are not a legacy tool. So we are a modern enterprise tool that evolves along with the technology evolution. So this is actually something will continue. Every 5 years we are seeing some technology evolution, and this is going to continue. And we are also going to give solutions for that.